Mystery that's reached far beyond the borders of Forest Grove. What's causing this strange sound? Well, for the first time, we're getting to hear the 911 calls that have been coming into the local dispatch center. Cor Harlan is live now with more on that. Cor?
Well, Jenny and Kenso, a lot of people will hear this sound at night. They really won't know what it is. A siren. Some have described it as an off-pitch, sort of high-pitched flute sound or faulty car brakes, whatever it may be and whatever its source may be eventually. We'll certainly don't know by now, but it is causing problems. The local 911 center, police and the emergency responders in this area are asking people not to call 911 when they hear this song. It simply takes up too much time, congests the system for real emergencies. Here's an example of some of the calls they've received recently when the sound has gone off at night.
It's happened twice tonight. It's happened about 5 times during the last 7 days, and the neighbor beside me, we can't even hear each other in the backyard. Neither one of us can figure out what's happening.
You know, that's typical of what the 911 calls are coming in, but, you know, when you assess all of this in its real clarity, it's no real emergency. The sound is what it is, and they're looking to try and locate the source of it. But local emergency responders, Ken and Jenny, are reminding people not to clog up the 911 system when they hear this sound during the night. Ken and Jenny?
Yeah, I mean, I guess you just have to maybe whip out your smartphone and record it. Looking at the map of where they've had this happen, it seems to be all over town out there.
That's crazy. I mean, you know, everybody's now, I mean, we're standing here and I heard a bird screech a couple minutes ago. So I looked over here and see the sound, but, you know, nobody really has any idea what this is. And a lot of people in their ignorance of what it is just want to call police and have somebody try and do something about that noise.
Yeah, it's pretty annoying. All right, well, hopefully we can get this mystery solved eventually. Thanks, Cor.